actually here to collect the 50,000 naira. I promise to give it today.
You no go believe wetin I tell you like this. I say ma come see you now. As I dey come now, I say ma come see you. You know that junction near down the market?
Yes.
As 5 boys just gather me.
Okay.
What is this? What is it? Before I know, they collect everything from my hand. Everything. They collect. I don't say that's what boys they do here.
Hope they did not collect something meaningful from you.
Okay. Nothing dey meaningful. Just just collect 25,000 naira.
5,000?
And iPhone 11 Pro.
Jesus, iPhone! I can't believe it.
That na small thing now.
What really happened?
See now, see the pay where they cost me now. Be say I won't bring that money. They carry you out. They carry you out, treat you, carry you go Mr. Beast, buy you anything where they your mind. They don't collect her.
I'm not happy about it. To be frank with you, I am
see,
not
really
happy
verse
about
pass
it.
you.
I am not happy about it.
See now, that no be my issue now. Wetin be my issue now be say I want to go house now.
Okay.
I want to go house because you know say my place far. I want to go house. Let's say na trek, I go even check go house. I will check go house. All those na people wey dey this street. I know like wetin they do. I no like wetin they do.
You don't have to worry.
Okay.
I'm gonna find little money for you. I will take it to you.
Yes.
No. Don't try it. That na insult.
Okay.
Now you go come give me money. Go where
I was
go.
actually angry with you for the fact that something just happened. But
See.
you. I'm not gonna have it back, and I love
Wait.
you. I can do anything.
I don't like her. Now me supposed give you money. No, you go give me.
Baby, calm down. Just calm down. I said I'm gonna give you
Mumu
this
man.
house.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you.
You mean her?
I'm gonna give you back.
You say now they can like you. The better person. See, those boys they don't connect everything. I tell them say God go do it.
You will move out of this house.
You get the money here.
You will move out of this house. I don't care where you want to move to. You must
You
move
mean
out.
her? See, I swear to God Almighty, if no be you, nobody else. See, you know what go happen? If I reach house now, this money when you give me, I go send 10,000 naira for you straight.
What?
Hey,
This is the wife.
I no follow that side again.
Mumu man.
You don't have to. There's another road.
Child.
Just follow that place.
You too much, eh?
How many times did they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? What?
This girl. They don't say no money.
To be mumu.
Mato, you get brain.
Yo Coco, they call me one talk side on this one. Story
This is just sounds